Hey guys, welcome to the very first video on my channel. Thanks a lot for watching it. Do appreciate it. Hope you enjoy what you're about to see. This is my 1994 Sportsman. No, actually it's not a Sportsman, guys. It's a Polaris 400L, and it doesn't come with a title of a trail boss, a sportsman, or any of that. It doesn't have that title. This is a W948140 model. 4x4 obviously, and I've done a lot of work to this thing. I bought it off a dealership that had a fire sale, and the previous owner, they didn't know anything about this, but apparently he rolled it. I've replaced that front rack. That rack right there come off another 400. That whole handlebar assembly all the way down, that was all replaced. Like this thing, this was folded right down on top of here. It was right here, and it was hard to get the gas cap off. I changed this front strut assembly, that lower control arm, and I just noticed not that long ago, it's kind of hard to see here, but not really. You see the difference between the left side and the right side. So this front bumper, that's also taking damage, so I'll probably end up having to replace that. She does start and run. As you guys see, I've had it out, mudding around. These tires right here are off of my old little 250 that I had, that I sold, and I kept them. These are the Maxxis Zillas 25-inch tires on 12-inch rims. I got my old ammo box on the back here, and basically what I've done like everything. This rear axle was just replaced. I just replaced that whole thing because it was bent on this end here. Yeah, I mean, it shifts great. It's an amazing bike here. Hold on a second. Alrighty, so I just ran upstairs real quick, get the key. I always shut the fuel off every time I turn the key off. I get distracted sometimes real easy, and I actually had the air box assembly off because I was going to redo the carburetor, and that was such a pain in the butt to get it off. And I was working on so many other things, and then all of a sudden I was trying to figure out how to put it back together again, and I got it all back together again, and I completely forgot the reason I was doing it. Because the bowls, well, I don't know if the bowls are sticking or what, but if I leave the fuel on, it just pours out. Anyway, the fuel's been off, so I doubt it's going to start right away. Be nice if it did start, though. Because there's one little issue right now that I know. Well, I'm not exactly sure what it is, but if I turn the key on, oh, my oil light comes on right away, but all my lights work. Leave that fuel running for a second, and let's see if you'll start right here. She may or may not, because that's part of my issue here. Oh, she might want to. Oh, one more time. Oh, come on. There. Now she's got a really low idle, as you guys can hear it. But the one problem that I've got with it is my coil. I'm pretty sure it's my coil. It's done it to me twice already. I was out yesterday. Here, I'll shut it off. I was out yesterday, and I've done 30 kilometers on, can you guys see that? I've done 30 kilometers on this tank of fuel. I guess this is actually miles, isn't it? Yeah, it's miles. So, and I've done 46 miles on this bike in total since I've got it. So, I mean, like I said, this thing is basically a showroom bike. I don't think I've said that yet, but there's a couple of little things I got to do to it. But yeah, that coil there, it'll start spitting and sputting on me. I was out yesterday for about an hour or so, and just when we were on the way home, all of a sudden the bike started to spit and sputter, and I had to get towed home. So I don't have a winch on it. That's why I've got my tow rope. I've got my tow rope on the front, and I call it my pigtail. Pigtail is wrapped right here, and then I just got it around that. So I mean, if I ever have to be pulled, yeah, I absolutely love this bike though. It's more bike than I'm used to be honest with you. It's my second ATV, and it's actually my second ATV since January, because I bought my very first one, which was the little 250, in January. And then I found out about this one and I couldn't say no about it. Anyway, you guys got any questions or anything like that? Or you ever want to see videos of it? I don't have a GoPro or action camera. Maybe one day I'd love to actually get videos of this thing on the trails. I really would, because this thing is super fun. But if you have any questions about her, shoot me up in the comments, and guess I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks a lot for watching. Peace.